So we're here down at the Sydney Opera House. We have the roundabout here. We've picked a spectacularly wet day for you today. What a good idea. It's normally sunny, but today we put on some rain for you. Over here, you've got the gatehouse, that's the security guards, and your vehicle will probably drop you off right where this white car is coming in. We're not allowed to park down here, so they'll just drop you off very briefly. You are then going to head down this very first staircase you see ahead of you. We're looking for the guided tours section. Yeah, the Opera Bar, Welcome Centre and guided tours is what we're aiming for. Head on down through the concourse here. A little bit less wet. On the right hand side we have the Opera Bar. This is a fantastic place to come for an evening meal. You can sit outside here on the deck, look out across the coat hanger, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Got some toilets just further down the walkway here on the right hand side. And right at the very end here is where we're aiming for to pick up your Sydney Opera House tickets. There's the Welcome Centre right here on the right. That's for normal people who haven't booked. We're going to ignore that. Instead, we're going to head over to where it says Group Check-in. Once you get the Group Check-in, just tell them your reference number and they'll be able to hand over your tickets for you. Enjoy your tour.